Lovelies, I have an exciting unboxing. My iPhone 12 Pro Max says that it got delivered today. I'm just getting home from work. I do not see any package though up at the doorstep. This might be an issue. Hopefully it's inside already because Larry is home, but oh my god, it's here! Guys, I'm freaking out. I just checked the tracking. It says that it was delivered at my doorstep. I don't see anything. All I see is this. Oh, thank you, UPS man, for hiding it back there. So I guess it's a good thing that my fall decor was still left out. Hey lovelies, what is up? Thank you for clicking on this video to watch this super exciting unboxing. Sorry, I'm probably like a little crazy because I'm like just getting off work. Cute, the glitter and purple Candyland eyeshadow. But anyways, I'm so freaking excited because I ordered this the other day. I honestly didn't even know that they were launching the day that I went over to Best Buy. I just wanted to like see it because I was really debating between the color offerings this year, what they had. So went to Best Buy, and of course that was like launch day, and I honestly had no freaking idea. So of course I come home, and then because they didn't have what I wanted in the size that I wanted, so I ended up ordering it online. Well, off of Apple, because I did it off of Apple just so I like had it all done, taken care of through that. It didn't say I was gonna get it until like third week of December. So she's in the mail, she's here in my house. I'm going to do a complete unboxing. Not so much probably review because I'm just excited for the new phone because what I'm filming with and what I currently have is the XS. So I'm just really excited for the upgrade because it's been a year in between, you know, it's like time, okay? So I just cut her open right here at the bottom and opening it up. Oh my goodness, there we see it. Okay, and if you've done any searching or reviews, then you can already tell which color I ended up going with. So here she is, all wrapped up, so nice and pristine. Alrighty, so let's do a slow little reveal, I guess. Oh my goodness. Perfect. Just taking the lid off. Oh my goodness, it is beautiful. Guys, look at her. Seriously, this is stunning. Stunning. Oh my gosh, I like don't want to mess it up. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, so yes, I ended up going with the gold color. As you can see, it has like the nice shiny gold here around the edging. It also has that shinier gold around the lenses then as well. But then you can see on the back, it's like that matte type gold, and it's very like white gold in a sense. More like white gold than the iPhones in the past. Like my iPhone XS that I'm recording with right now, so unfortunately I can't demonstrate or do an example. That is like more like gold. So before we unreveal this, let's just see what else is in the box. So then here at the bottom of the box we have, I guess, the charging cable, but also notice that you don't get anything. Like you have the instructions here. I guess you have like a little reset pin thingy. I've never used that for anything, but there's that. You have the Apple sticker, the instructions. Oh, I guess if you have a SIM card, that's what that's for. But yeah, there's nothing else in here. So it doesn't come with a charging block. Not gonna lie, that's kind of sucky because coming from an XS, I still use the old school charging block. So I do not have a charging block for my new phone. So I guess I need to get one. I think this is like the USB-C or something like that, the new drive, but yeah, it's not like a regular USB port. So that sucks. And then let's do the reveal of the phone then. Okay guys, I'm so excited. We'll go nice and slow to start. Whoop. Seriously, it is beautiful. I just love it so much. And to be honest, it's like I guess it's heavier than my current phone right now, but I was hearing like a lot of reviews that they're like so much heavier, and to be honest, I can't tell the difference. So I did get the 12 Pro Max, and again, I mean, it's a big phone, but it doesn't feel any crazy bigger than what I'm already used to using. So I guess let's turn this bad boy on. So I will need to go through here and figure out setting it up, but I'm so excited. Let's turn you off now for a moment. So by that, I guess this is the power button. It's longer than what they normally are. I'm really excited to play with the cameras because, to be honest, like I don't have the wide angle lens, seeing that I don't have the 11, I have the XS, what I'm currently using to film with. So I'm really excited to see the 12, how the video quality is, also the wide angle lens, just to see like photos in general. Like I thought my camera that I currently am using, like I thought that on my iPhone XS was amazing. So I'm just really excited to see, like, you know, it get even better. Like, it's amazing. But I will say that I absolutely think that the gold is beautiful. I was debating between either the gold, which is what I ended up going with, obviously, or I was looking at the Pacific blue, because it really reminded me kind of my car, and it had like that icy blue touch to it, where it's just like, it's like a darker kind of like royal icy blue in a sense, where I just thought was real pretty. But at the same time, I'm very bougie and I love like girly chic things, so the gold spoke to me a little bit more. I felt like the blue, it is pretty, but I just felt like it seemed a little bit more on the masculine side for myself. And just so you guys can get like a little bit different coloring view of it, just because of my lighting and everything, in case you're wondering for your color preference. But see how I mean? It's like a light, it's matte, but it's like a light white gold. And I just think it is so elegant looking. I do love the shiny gold around it, but I will admit, try to move my thumb without dropping it right away, that you can already see like fingerprints. I do have a case for it, so don't have to worry, I guess, there. But then here's the screen. It looks so massive. So yeah, now I just have to set it up, and then maybe stay tuned. Maybe I'll get a review, a comparison video up for you guys, because yes, I definitely need to learn more about the phone. I just wanted to do this unboxing for you, because honestly, it was like kind of on a whim the other day when I was just like, I really want to buy this, so I broke down and I did it. And I mean, I don't even want to talk about price, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like it keeps getting more expensive, but then they keep taking more stuff out of the box. Like, that's kind of really stupid, actually, Apple. Like, hold on, actually. Okay, guys, it is like hot as balls up in my room right now. Anyways, though, besides the point, here is the new phone case that I got. It is from Park Candy, and it's Bruni. Oh my god, he's so flippin' adorable. So it is holiday time, so it has the snowflakes, and then it's Bruni with his little fire flame. If you haven't watched Frozen 2, y'all, get on that shit, because then you'll understand. But then he's in a little stocking, and the stocking is in the little diamonds for Elsa and Show Yourself. Woohoo! So anyways, I just thought it was real cute, and I figured I have it here, I might as well show you guys. Getting it with the gold, like, you'll actually be able to see the design, whereas if I would have gotten the blue, it would have been really difficult to see, like, to see him. Like, the white would have shown up, but it wouldn't have been as nice. You know what I'm saying? Now, guys, I think we're gonna wrap this up. So again, guys, I do appreciate your time. If you could give this video a thumbs up, I would love you so much. Also, if you guys have not yet subscribed, I would love it if you just click that subscribe button. Also, the bell that's down below is going to notify you every single time I upload a video. I do lots of different style, beauty, fun like Disney things amongst vlogs and unboxings and try on hauls and all yada yada yada. So other than that, I hope you lovelies are staying safe, staying healthy. I'll have the stuff listed down below. Oh, FYI, I got a discount code for you if you're interested in shopping those cell phone cases. They do lots of cute mask designs, so you're just gonna want to check it out down below. But anyways, lovelies, I will see you all very, very soon with an update on how my phone's working. Have a good one. Bye.